Google Search Engine Console, and you can add your site and give it a day or so, and it'll start analyzing your site. And I have found out some interesting things. Now, this is my site, classifiedsubmissions.com. It's just about classified ad submissions, classified ad marketing. That's all it's about. And, I went here to look what's working. I hadn't done this. Okay. I haven't done this. Had not been following my own advice. Now I'm following my own advice and I'm finding out stuff. Say, what is this? This query, this free classified websites, list 2000. I've got 2,000 impressions and 250 clicks. What's going on with that? So I went to find out. So I went and I typed this in Google, and here I am, number 1 on Google for this term. And what is this? This is a blog, just a basic blog I set up years ago that I forgot about, but it's on my domain, classifiedsubmissions.com. Now, this is a popular domain. I get sales every day on this. It is popular in that niche, but this particular blog, I kind of neglected it. I said, I'll just concentrate on my sales page, and I won't really do a blog on the specific domain where I'm selling. It was not a mistake to do it. It was a mistake not to keep it up, because here we go. This blog post on this very simple, basic theme WordPress blog. I just ultra simple, and it's not that detailed. It's not that great of a post. I mean, I could definitely make this way better. Is getting me all kinds of clicks, and I didn't know it. All right. So what did this tell me? First of all, it goes back to being very specific. All right. If you have, say you're a personal injury attorney, start a blog on your site. In addition to your site, start a blog which you update regularly, and it only talks about personal injury attorney issues. That's it. You focus just on that. You don't talk about other types of law. You don't talk about the weather. You talk about personal injury attorney law. And if it's just local in one area, you just talk about it in that area. And if you're in Bradenton, Florida, you talk about personal injury attorney in Bradenton, Florida, and you put videos out there about that specific topic. You are going to rank for those terms because you're very targeted, and you're building up the authority of your main domain. Okay, this domain gets real traffic for this type of site, classifiedsubmissions.com. And I had this neglected blog on here. So this tells me I'm not going to neglect it anymore. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this blog, and I'm going to put out only articles, evergreen articles, specifically on this topic. I'm not going to put articles on SEO on this topic. Here, I'm not going to put articles about general marketing. It's going to be all specifically related to the subject. Same thing for my other site, coolmarketingsoftware.com. I hadn't started a blog on that domain. And, I was debating whether I should, do everything on quickregisterseo.com or focus in on the individual blogs. But that tells me that it is well worth it to start a blog with evergreen content on my sales domain. So here I have coolmarketingsoftware.com, right? But I don't have a blog specifically attached to it. All right. I'm just selling the software, but it would be, this blog goes to my Quick Register SEO blog, which is the general blog about my marketing journey, which is fine. But for getting sales, I would be well advised to start a blog and only talk about marketing software on that blog. Not videos like this where I talk about SEO and my marketing journey, but just you talk about marketing software and focus in on that, and that will get ranked in the search engines quicker. So I really learned a lesson with Google Search Console. So what can I do with Google Search Console? I can go look and see what I'm ranking for, what is working for my click-throughs. Maybe there's some where I'm getting, let's just do it by impressions. Here, look, ad posting software. Geez, not really getting too many clicks for all these impressions. Maybe I can add an article to the blog about ad posting software. All right. This one was kind of crazy. It really doesn't make much sense. It's one of these statistics sites, so it's not applicable. Post free ads in the USA. Okay, I'm getting some clicks through that. Maybe I can do specific article about that, or include that keyword in post, or improve the posts that I already have that are ranking for these. Here, I got 591, and I didn't have any click-throughs. Why? I should work to improve that click-through ratio by developing content on the specific domain that is specifically about classified submissions. So if you're doing weight loss, create a blog about weight loss and just talk about weight loss and talk about all the details on weight loss and be an expert in that niche. That's what this is telling me, that Google is looking for specific content. And it is well worthwhile for me on coolmarketingsoftware.com to create a blog, to create evergreen content on that blog. I may not put one out every day like a daily journal type blog, but just create very specific articles that just get ranked, that are totally targeted. So what have we learned here today? If you want to rank number one in Google, one, develop very thorough, authoritative, real content on that specific niche, on that specific topic. Two, optimize your title tag and your meta description tag with those keywords. And you want to lead with your keywords, but you also want the titles and the tags to be, not the tags, but the title and the meta description to be curiosity arousing. It has to read well. Three, analyze your site. And this is what I neglected. I hadn't done. Analyze your site using Google Search Console and focus on your specific niche on that specific site. Google loves specific content, apparently. So if you're trying to sell everything to everybody on one site, that's probably not a good strategy. Even my quick register SEO site, which is about my general marketing journey, has a lot of different things. I might have been better just focusing on making that an SEO site. Just talk about SEO. That's it. That might have been better. That might have been better strategy for SEO, ironically. And because I've got inferior blog posts specifically on domains on classified submissions are ranking really well because it's very targeted. So that is a really important aspect. Developing that content, which is highly targeted, which is focused on a specific niche, and you can rule that niche. It's hard to rule the world, but you can rule that niche. And you people with local businesses, developing a blog and YouTube channel specifically on your area is the key to success. The more specific, the more niche oriented you can be, the better. Optimize those title tags and put those keywords in the description, and analyze your site and see how it's doing in the Google Search Console. And I think you'll be well on your way. There's lots of other things you can do, but I think this is a great start. And just by doing this, I learned a lot. I was inspired by Neil Patel's video on the same subject. And by taking notes and applying what he said, rather than just regurgitating what he said, I went to a whole new world and discovered things about my website. So that can often happen. So I suggest applying this to your website, and you're going to learn all kinds of things. And if you do, let me know in the comments area. I would like to know what you've learned. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel. We're going to be coming out with more tips soon. Every single day I'm putting out a video now. We'll see if I can keep it up. And let me know your comments, and make sure to join our newsletter. Click the link in the description below. We're giving away $597 of pro marketing software for free. You can download it right away. We'll be adding a lot more soon. So this is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com. I hope this helped you. Thank you.